State Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh today said that Meghalaya is committed to tap the potential of the youth in uplifting the tourism sector in the state. He said this while delivering a speech at an official function to welcome President Draupadi Murmu at Maupalang Sacred Grove. Lyngdoh said Meghalaya has made a considerable headway in the tourism sector and the state is witnessing innovative infrastructural and entrepreneurial initiatives aimed at developing tourism and generating livelihood opportunity for the people. As part of this mission, he said the government has put in place comprehensive strategies to uplift sustainable and responsible tourism.
This destination in the country, grounded on key principles of sustainable and responsible tourism, has introduced a set of innovative schemes like Meghalaya Homestay Scheme, Prime Luxury Tourist Vehicle Scheme and the Motor Caravan Scheme. Under these schemes, the government provides sustainable, substantial subsidies to entrepreneurs for developing premium accommodation, restaurants, vehicles, wayside amenities, and for ensuring a comfortable commute experience for tourists.